Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got Shirogorov Knives F3 Micarta here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like this video and maybe don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're enjoying this stuff that I'm bringing to you. Because check this out, inside of this box, classic Shirogorov box, you're gonna find your F3 in Micarta, and that is a pretty cool one, guys. Of course, comes with the classic black cloth and with the a little bit of a silica gel pack, and that's your certificate of authenticity. And inside you're gonna find this pretty cool knife indeed. Look at that, that's a pretty awesome knife. It's the F3 Shirogorov, classic knife. It's a liner lock. In this case, you've got some green micarta with some orange pivot colors and matching orange backspacer right over here. Really nice looking. It's very grippy. I mean, this is a classic Shirogorov F3 with this pretty cool variant, and overall length of this guy is going to be 8.75 inches, which is gonna be around 22 centimeters, and the blade is gonna be a little bit under 4 inches, like 3.8 inches, which is equivalent to, let's say, 10 centimeters. And the handle, it's gonna be 12.5 centimeters, which is roughly, I would say, 5 inches. And it's a very cool knife. This guy is gonna be $700 brand new, and let's say it's an entry level because it's employing LMAX steel, it's running on single row bearings, and there's no skeletonization on the inlays, so sorry, on the liners. That's why it's gonna reflect a little bit in the weight, and this guy is gonna be a little bit heavier, weighing in at exactly 4.9 ounces. So for example, like just to give you an idea, this is the counterpart. This is the F3NS custom division, and it's gonna be weighing in at 5.27, so 0.4 ounces more, but this is like a full titanium, so it's just a little bit different. But this guy is not too heavy. It feels really good in the hand. There's of course no hot spots, like the handle is just so good, zero sharp areas, and the action, even if it's running on single row bearings, guys, it's just gorgeous, you know. It's fantastic. Look at this. I mean, very pleasant, super smooth, snappy action. Single row bearings is just good. You know, multi-row, it's a little bit better, it's different action. But this guy, if you are new to Shirogorov, I just highly recommend this guy. You can't go wrong with this fella right over here. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Stay tuned.